proceeds the derivation of formulas. Now the formula for cos 3a. Formula number 23. Cos 3a. Cos 3a is written as cos 2a plus a, and this will be expanded on the formula. Third number formula, cos a plus b. So cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. At the place of a we have 2a, and at the place of b we have a. Now cos 2a is written as, in terms of cos, the formula for cos 2a in terms of cos is 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a. Sin 2a is written as 2 sin a into cos a and into sin a. Remove this bracket, so 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus this becomes 2 sin square a into cos a. So 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a as it is, and this sin square a is written as 1 minus cos square a. So 2 cos cube a minus cos a and minus 2 cos a into 1 minus 2 cos a and minus plus 2 cos cube a. 2 cos a into cos square a, 2 cos cube a. So 2 cos cube a plus 2 cos cube a, 4 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a minus 3 cos a. So this is the formula for cos 3a. 3 cos cube a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is the formula for cos 3a. 4 cos cube a and minus 3 cos a. Now formula number 24. Tan a plus b plus c. Tan a plus b plus c. So we suppose a plus b as a single term, and we use the formula tan a plus b, which is written as tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. We use the formula tan a plus b, and taken a plus b together, we suppose it a. So tan a plus b and b is c. So tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now expand tan a plus b. So tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. This tan a plus b is written as tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b, and plus tan c as it is, and whole upon 1 minus, again we expand this tan a plus b on the formula So tan A plus B, again written as tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B, then into tan C. Then we take LCM in numerator. So the LCM be 1 minus tan A, 1 minus tan A into tan B. From here, we take LCM 1 minus tan A into tan B. This gets cancelled and it comes tan A and plus tan B and plus tan C multiplied these two terms. So tan C into 1, tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C whole upon here in the denominator again we take LCM. So 1 minus tan A into tan B and 1 multiplied by 1 minus tan A into tan B. We get 1 minus tan A into tan B and minus tan A into tan C and plus tan B into tan C. So 1 minus tan A tan B gets cancelled and it comes it becomes tan A plus tan B plus tan C. And this was the formula tan A plus B plus C. Tan A plus B plus C equals to tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C and whole upon 1 minus tan A into tan B, 1 minus tan A into tan B, then minus plus tan A into tan C, tan A into tan C, then minus plus minus tan B into tan C, tan B into tan C. So this is the formula for tan A plus B plus C, tan A plus tan B plus tan C, minus tan A tan B tan C upon 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan A into tan C minus tan B into tan C. Now for 25th number formula, tan 3A. So for tan 3A, in the same formula, when we write B equals to A and C equals to A, we get tan 3A. So for tan 3A, put B equals to C equals to A. At the place of B and C also write down A. So it becomes tan 3A. So everywhere at the place of B we write A and at the place of C we write A. So tan A plus tan A plus tan A, it becomes 3 tan A minus tan A into tan A into tan A, tan cube A upon 1 minus tan A into tan A, tan A into tan A and tan A into tan A. So 1 minus 3 tan A into tan B. 1 minus 3. This becomes tan square A, tan square A, tan square A. So 1 minus 3 tan square. So this is the formula number 25. Tan 3A equals to 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. So we completed the formula. Now we'll discuss exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. The first question is, prove that exercise 3.3. First question, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3. Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 minus tan square pi by 4 is equals to minus 1 by 2. So sin pi by 6 means sin 30 degree, and the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. The value of cos 60 degree is also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square. And tan pi by 4, 1. So 1 the whole square. We are solving LHS. 1 by 2 the whole square, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 1. Taking LCM, 4. We get 1 plus 1 minus 4. So 1 plus 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2 by 4. And which we get minus 1 by 2. So LHS equals to RHS. Second question, 2 sin square pi by 6. 2 sin square pi by 6. Then plus cosec square 7 pi by 6. Plus cosec square 7 pi by 6. And then cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Into cos square pi by 3 equals to 3 by 2. We have to prove LHS equals to 3 by 2. So solve LHS. 2 into sin pi by 6 means sin 30 degree. Its value is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 the whole square. Cosec 7 pi by 6. So cosec 7 pi by 6 means the value of pi is 180. 180 divided by 6. 30. 30 divided by 30 into 7. 210. So cosec 210, which is written as cosec 180 plus 30. And this is which quadrant? 180 plus 30, 180 plus theta, which quadrant? This is third quadrant. 180 plus theta, third quadrant. And in third quadrant, cosec is negative and cosec 180 plus theta, there is no change. So it becomes minus of cosec 30 degree. And the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So the value of cosec 1 by cosec 30, sin 30 1 by 2, so cosec 30 becomes minus 2. But there is cosec square 7 by 6, means minus 2 the whole square into cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square. Now solve this. So 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus 2 the whole square, 4 into this is also 1 by 4. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled, 2, 4 cancelled, and it comes 1 by 2 plus 1. Taking LCM 2, we get 1 plus 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 by 2, which is RHS. We get the value of RHS equals to LHS equals to RHS. Now question number 3, cot square pi by 6, cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6, cot square pi by 6. Then third question,
cosec 5 pi by 6
plus या minus, plus cosec
5 pi by 6
5 pi by 6. Then
plus 3 tan square
3 tan square
pi by 6 into pi by 6
pi by 6
is equal to 6.
equals to 6. So again we solve LHS, and cot pi by 6 means cot 30 degree, and the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Then cot 30 will be root 3. So root 3 the whole square. Then cosec 5 pi by 6. The value of cosec 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Cosec 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6 is written as 5 pi is 180. 180 by 6, 30. 30 into 5, 150. And cosec 150 is written as cosec 90 plus 60. This is second quadrant, 90 plus theta. And in second quadrant, the value of cosec is positive. Cosec and sine positive in first quadrant and in second quadrant. So, and there is change. So cosec 90 plus theta is written as cosec 90 plus theta is written as sec theta. Cosec 90 plus theta is written as sec theta. So it becomes sec 60 degree. And the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec 60 is 2. So cosec 5 pi by 6 is written as 2 plus 3 into tan square pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 means tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 and it's a square. So 1 by root 3 the whole square. So we get root 3 the square 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 the square 1 and root 3 the square 3. 3 and 3 cancel. And we get 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 6. Question number 4.
2 sin square
2 sin square
into 3 pi by 4
2 sin square
into 3 pi by 4
into नहीं एंगल को ऐसे 3 pi by 4. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4
plus 2 cos square
plus 2 cos square
pi by 4
pi by 4. Then
plus 2 sec square
plus 2 sec square
pi by 3.
pi by 3. Then
10
equals to 10. So sine 3 pi by 4. Sine 3 pi by 4 means 3 pi by 4. 180 by 4. 45. 45 into 3. 135. So sine 135 can be written as sine 90 plus 45 and sine 90 plus theta. This is cos theta. So cos 45 degree. So it becomes 2 into sine square 3 pi by 4. The value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 2 into cos square pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 2 into sec square pi by 3. Sec 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Then sec 60 will be 2. So 2 into 2 the whole square. So we get 2 into 1 by root 2 the square. 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4. 2 and 2 cancel. This 2 cancel. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 4 8. And the result which we get 10 equals to RHS. The next
Find the value of question number 5.
fifth question. Find the value of sine 75 degree. Find the value of sine 75 degree. So sine 75 degree can be written as sine 45 degree plus 30 degree, and we use the formula, first formula, sine A plus B. So sine A plus B is written as sine A into cos B and plus cos A into sine B. So we get sine 45 degree 1 by root 2 and cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 and sine 30 1 by 2. So we get root 3 upon 2 root 2 and plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Then we take the LCM. So LCM 2 root 2 and it comes root 3 plus 1. So the value of sine 75 degree is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Then next tan
15.
its second part is we have to calculate tan 15 degree. So 15 can be written as tan of 45 minus 30 degree. 15 degree can be written as 45 minus 30 degree. Now we use the formula for tan of A minus B, and tan A minus B is written as tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So the value of tan 45 is 1, the value of tan 30 is root 3, the value of 1 tan 45 1 and tan 30 1 by root 3. So we get 1 minus 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by root 3. Then we take LCM. Root 3 is the LCM. So root 3 minus 1 upon root 3, and again root 3 is LCM. So root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. And root 3 and root 3 cancelled, and we get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. The value of tan 15 degree. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Now rationalize the denominator. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by opposite sign of the denominator. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 the whole square. And a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Now expand on the formula a minus b the whole square. So root 3 the whole square minus 2 into a into b and plus b the whole square upon root 3 the whole square 3, 1 the whole square 1. So root 3 the whole square 3, 3 minus 2 root 3 and plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 2. 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. We take 2 as common, so 2 minus root 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So the value of final tan 15 degree is equals to tan 2 minus root 3. Tan 15 degree is equals to 2 minus under root of 3. Then next question 6. Question number 6. This is cos pi by 4 minus x into 6th question. Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y. Cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x. Sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. Sin pi by 4 minus y is equals to sin x plus y. We have to prove this as sin x plus y. So let pi by 4 minus x equals to a and pi by 4 minus y equals to b. We suppose a and b. Then our expression becomes cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. The expression becomes cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b, and we use the formula for cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. This is equals to cos a plus b. Now put the value of a and b. So cos, the value of a is pi by 4 minus x, and the value of b is pi by 4 minus y. Then it becomes cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus pi, which is equals to cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, and 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2, minus in common, taken common, minus x plus y, and again use the formula cos 90 minus theta, which is sin theta. So we get sin x plus y, which is our RHS. So we get LHS equals to RHS.